Do you have an extra room but wish you had 3 or 4? Wouldn't it be great if that room could transform to suit your needs at the time you need it? Imagine having a home office, a guest room, a craft area, or a playroom all in one room. Now you can, with our innovative and amazing new wall beds. A wall bed can transform any room into a functional space to make room for things that matter to you. Forget that lumpy futon or creaky sofa bed. Air mattresses will leave your guests or family waking up sore and grumpy after a poor night's sleep. Offer your guests a more comfortable stay with our wall bed and use almost any mattress up to 12 inches thick. Imagine if you can have a bed when you need it and all that space back when you don't, with one gentle upward motion. A wall bed gives you an extra bedroom when you need it, with the freedom of a functional space the rest of the year. It's like adding a room to your home at a fraction of the cost. Get more from your home and make room for things that matter to you.